Alright, in this video I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. So first thing, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, and like, and share this video with your friends if they need it. So first thing you want to do is just open TikTok.
This is how much money I've made in the...
Now that you're here, click on your profile on the bottom. Once you're here, click edit profile. Once you're here, click on links. And now you can just add your Instagram or YouTube link. So I'm gonna add my YouTube link here. Alright, if you can't add links to your bio, then I'll show you a step-by-step how to get it. So first thing, you wanna click on the 3 lines on the top, and then click on settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down till you see report a problem. Click that. Now that you're here, click on account and profile. Click editing profile, then click on other. Now just scroll down and it's gonna ask, is your problem resolved? Click no. Now click need more help. Now what you're gonna do is just type out, now you're gonna type this out. Alright, now that you have it, type it out and just click this.